What's up guys, welcome back to channel. So today I'm going to react on Surbhi Channa and नकुल मेहता इंटरव्यू. सो इसके लिए आप लोगों ने बहुत बोला था और मतलब काफ़ी टाइम से मुझे इस बारे में रिक्वेस्ट आ रहे थे और कमेंट्स आ रहे थे इस बारे में, लेकिन मैं कर नहीं पाया था उस टाइम पे जिस टाइम पे आप लोगों ने बोला था कि करो करो. और अभी भी काफ़ी लोग कह रहे हैं कि इस पर ये करो. सो फाइनली आई एम डूइंग रिएक्टिंग ऑन देयर इंटरव्यू. तो ये इंटरव्यू है पिंक विला की तरफ से. तो और अगर पिंक विला की तरफ से कोई ये वीडियो देख रहा है सो प्लीज़ डोंट गिव मी अ क्लेम और कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक. दिस इज़ जस्ट अ रिएक्शन वीडियो, सो प्लीज़ स्ट्राइक या क्लेम मत देना. बाकी देखते हैं कि उनके इंटरव्यू कैसे हैं. मैंने कभी भी उनके इंटरव्यू पर रिएक्ट नहीं किया, दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट टाइम. तो देखते हैं. ड्रामा तो वैसे भी मैं देख ही रहा हूँ, तो देखते हैं कि इंटरव्यू कैसी है. सो लेट्स चेक इट आउट.
Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pink Villa.
So they need an introduction. That's Nakul Mehta for you. Everybody knows.
That's Surbhi Chandana.
Nobody knows.
Surbhi Chandana. Now, after 2 years, everyone also knows now.
How sweet.
How does it feel? Yeah, it's we've been shooting for about. We've actually we shot the pilot 3 years back, nearly,
Yeah.
and now we've been shooting together for about over 2 years, 3 months.
Yeah.
Did you see this coming? Like nearly 570 episodes?
No, never. In fact, I think this is the only set where I've been so overworked. I mean, I've not done so much work, but last set was so much easier. So sometimes I sit and I think of not bonding with SSO so much because we don't really sit together to chat so much. We do have our conversations, but more than that, I think it's been an overworked set, and I've done all sorts of stunts on this show, I believe, and I've had a great experience. मैंने सोचा नहीं था, very honestly, and it's come so far, and I was just rewinding my whole journey with the new Priyanka, and it sort of gave me like a rewind.
Yeah, it's been a while. Yeah, over 27, 28 months of shooting.
Yeah.
I think it's pretty incredible. When we started the show, for me, when every time I start something, I feel if we can do good 100 episodes, it'll be a success.
Yeah.
I think we've done over 550. So.
My God, that is
100
huge.
Yeah, in a lot of ways, I
Sounds
think
like
all of us have grown, all of us have evolved. I think the audiences have also, I feel, in a lot of ways, have got some. I think we've been able to give some good entertainment to them, which I feel proud about. A lot of shows do well.
So that's what I'm saying. We've done so much on the show, no?
We've done
Like
so much on the
discovered so much. With the social issues last, and now playing entirely different characters with the same people, the same names. I mean, who gets to do so much on the show? I've been in the water. आप मुझे pool में फेंक चुके हो.
Do you ever feel you want to take it easy though sometimes?
I want to.
Yeah, even
You know I want to.
Even I feel that.
No,
yeah.
but you don't want to. I know. Chup raho.
but like
This man
like a
has to be
day.
like, I want to achieve. I want to just achieve stuff.
No,
And
but
he's
there are days now when I feel that maybe not now, like
Just sit
maybe a
back
month
and
back. Just do a chill scene where we are hanging out, like there are lots of shows where they hang out.
that's what
Yeah.
I'm saying. Like my
But,
previous show, how was it in the last show? SSO?
It was not as crazy as this, but I was still, I was never really hanging out, although,
प्रीवियस शो के बारे में मैं कुछ नहीं जानता ना.
no, to be honest, it was crazy, but this show is slightly more on steroids, like I always say. We're always up to like saving the world and changing
Yeah.
things. So that was
great Shivai
closer to sort of more, rooted towards family and, So of course, I think this of course gives you a scope to like be larger than life, but which also means that you have no other life. But
Ask me.
Yeah.
You still take your vacations, so you
Yeah.
you are not supposed to complain.
listen, I take vacations only every month, yeah.
Exactly.
which you know how hectic it
so
is when you have
every
to
week
save
he
the
has
world, yeah.
See, 1 day holiday I feel is vacation, and every week 1 day holiday. SSO Sundays he's not working, so
Listen, I
it is
think
technically vacation for him the entire month.
But I think
And every week.
I think we must set a precedent, and I think
Acha.
creative work can only happen when everyone takes 2 days off a week. I think the way we work in the Indian industry, television industry, is not ideal and is not conducive to the best work happening. I'm sure you'll agree with it. And I hope, like, my real hope is that all of us at some point of time as an industry can like really like come together and work 5 days a week and
I
do great
agree.
work.
Yeah.
And then go back and also evolve in your personal life.
Also,
right?
I feel that when this happens, you bounce back, no? With great energy.
You come back with newer ideas, you
Yeah.
come back with fresh energy and with some sleep.
Yeah, and with some
Which we
sleep,
don't
no
know
eye
what
bags.
it is. Yeah.
SSO, please.
Yeah.
So the
Eye bags, dude. Like the only bags I buy for my wife are my eye bags. No LV, no Prada. I'm like, babes, I've got your eye bags.
I know.
But I think it's been phenomenal.
Also, I love the energy on the set because one thing that everybody who keeps coming, touch wood, and also does maybe like a cameo or stays here.
Really enjoys themselves.
Yeah, I think we're just great people, yeah.
That's
thanks,
that's true. Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you,
Three
Pink
star
Villa
Kasih
guys.
Kumar.
Thank you for thinking we're the greatest. But as I think of the 2-year journey, I think obviously I don't think any one of us expected it to sort of give us so much back. And I think it's phenomenal that the viewers have like really, and you know, sometimes we also get a lot of flack and they get emotional about it. But I actually like that because I feel that they're so connected to the show
I agree.
that they don't like certain things about the show. And I would rather be doing a show where, you know, they're like,
I know.
why aren't you getting the boy and girl together? Why isn't Shivika together? I think that's a great, I mean, there's something someone's done, a lot of people have done correct for you all to feel that. And when you all feel that, please express it. It's okay.
Yeah.
We actually
And if
discussed
like
that.
we are on steroids, then so are you guys.
Yeah, we've got like an entire audience base which is fully on steroids. Yeah.
Steroids, yeah.
But it's great. I think we can't have it, won't have it any other way. Who else can play our roles better?
So y'all answer.
What
this
do
for
you
us.
think?
Huh.
Who else can? I know you're come here because we can't record you, but here. Who else can play our roles
But okay,
better?
listen, there are a lot of great people in the industry, some great actors. Everybody can do it. They will get their own masala to it, I believe. For now, I don't see anybody. I don't want to be mean, but बहुत लोग कर सकते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है. I'm sure कर सकते हैं. But मैं किसी को और picture ही नहीं कर सकती. My problem is that for now. But I'd like to see if somebody steps in our shoes and, you know, plays a SSO and an Annika. Yeah, so...
What did you first feel when you saw? I liked it actually. I'm very critical of what I do.
Huh.
But I thought it was good. I didn't go crazy about it, but I thought it was good. I thought it was promising start
Yeah?
when I saw the first episode.
Yeah, but for me, very honestly, I cannot analyze or gauge things very promptly, basically. It takes me a while, and I had not imagined that Shivika would be a brand. I want to believe it's a brand. All the Jodis on television are a brand. But slowly and steadily, when I saw the response to Shivika, I realized that yes, people like us being together and see us in that one frame, and they also have great moments when we are having our great moments, and you know, so yeah, it's nice. But I still, मुझे अभी भी वो चीजें sink in हुई नहीं है कि अच्छा शिविका का इतना पागलपन है.
वो तो अभी तक मेरे चैनल पे आप देख सकते हैं.
Never, man.
How sad, no? SSO is married, I'm unmarried, but we are still
You
boring.
can still have a crush, but never had.
Yeah.
Never worked with Deepika Padukone yet, so.
But I'd like to have, yeah.
Kapil Sharma wants to know your depression.
Can't reveal right. Maybe, I don't know, can't really recollect. And that happens, keeps happening.
All the time.
All the time. Happens. Shit happens. SSO liar.
Never, man. Never.
SSO liar.
Never done that. Never done that.
Oh my
Ever.
God.
Of course, man. That's true.
No. Not really.
Should be still understanding Twitter.
Yeah, exactly, probably. Yeah,
मैंने सिर्फ
maybe
एक बार
just
install
answers
किया था,
that.
सिर्फ delete.
Not really, no. Oh ho. Keeps happening.
Something to irritate me. I am.
Stolen मतलब?
फिर किसी की तुम लोग कभी से खन्ना की हमने फोन छुपा दिया, ये कर दिया. That kinds.
Okay.
हाँ, to irritate. No, you're
Serious
getting
about
too
life.
sensitive in life, SSO. I think just take it easy, honey.
guy, darling.
Yeah. I am terrible at it, but yeah, I am like that. Co-star as in co-actor कोई भी हो सकता है ना?
हाँ, baby. Co-star means anyone.
Anybody
Co-star
ना?
doesn't mean me.
मुझे भी पता है. I have.
It's a terrible.
कौन करता है?
Like टाइम कहाँ होता है यार?
नहीं, कुछ लोगों की लाइफ में होता है, आपको
कुछ
ऐसे
बोला है? कभी नहीं
मेरे पास बॉयफ्रेंड हो तो आप बोलोगे ना। ओके व्हाटएवर,
मैंने
चल
सिर्फ तारीफ की है वैसे।
ये डिस्क्रीटली क्या
मैसेज फ्रॉम द फोन।
ऐसे तो चल फोन दे, फोन दे अपना।
मेरा फोन अल्बर्ट के पास है।
Never,
not yet. We'd like to.
I'd like to. I'd like to.
Yeah.
क्या चेक करना पसंद करेगा? चल बता।
मैसेज करना चाहूंगा मैं एक्चुअली।
क्या बता ऐसे बता ऐसे।
एक इंसान है जिसको मैं मैसेज करना चाहूंगा।
क्या? कौन है?
कैसे यार? मेरा दोस्त।
कौन है वो?
एक है, तू नहीं जानती। That's exactly the footage they want.
अच्छा तो मैं एसएसओ का फोन चेक करना पसंद करूंगी और बाकी लोगों का भी करूंगी, कोई नहीं, शीनू का भी एंड एवरीबडी। मजा आएगा वैसे एक्चुअली पढ़ने के लिए। क्या हो?
मैं मैसेज करना चाहूंगा सुरभि के फोन से। Okay, this was a lot of fun. We had to do
because
this.
of me.
Yeah,
Thank you.
because of her, she's always the funny part of everything we do. Baby, you're also feeling hot? Are you?
You're wearing a sweater. I think we have to wrap this up. SSO.
I'm wearing a sweater, guys.
I swear,
It
SSO.
gets hot when I'm around, so I just wear
Okay.
a sweater.
Yeah.
We're gonna go change our clothes. Sorry, I'm gonna go change my clothes. It's a pack up for us, but
Do yes to Ish Baz and thank you for all the love.
keep watching. We're gonna go on for
Another.
a few more.
Yeah.
Yeah, till we grow old and.
SSO के बच्चे होंगे.
और मेरे बच्चे
जानकी और SSO के छोटे छोटे बच्चे.
सुरभि की शादी होगी.
Yes.
या बच्चे होंगे.
नहीं.
Either
पहले
way.
ही, शादी से
हाँ,
पहले.
क्यों नहीं यार, क्यों नहीं? So I think yeah, that's our plan. That.
But thank you so much for loving Shivika, loving Ishbar.
Okay, since you guys already like this video so much,
Yes.
what you guys need to do is,
Just subscribe to Pink Villa on YouTube.
and for any donations, compliments, you can reach out to us directly.
SSO in what studio?
You guys
नहीं
shouldn't
बोलना
say
है.
it. Oh shit, not studio. Shouldn't.
Thanks, yeah, guys.
See you.
Mute कर दी. Okay. By the way, original video link is in the description below. Go and check out the original video as well. Well, this was the interview of शिविका और जैसे इन्होंने बोला कि क्रेज़ था उस वक्त पे और ये आई थिंक 2 से 3 साल पुराना वीडियो है। मैंने इंटरव्यू देखा नहीं था और ये ड्रामा काफ़ी पुराना है तो ऑब्वियसली इंटरव्यू भी काफ़ी पुरानी होगी। तो मतलब उस टाइम पे अगर क्रेज़ था तो अभी भी है, क्योंकि जब से मैंने वीडियोस बनाना स्टार्ट किए हैं तब से तो नहीं, लेकिन जब से ड्रामाज वगैरह पर से रिलेटेड जो है मैंने वीडियो स्टार्ट किए हैं तब से मतलब मुझे कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं कि शिविका शिविका। फिर मैंने शिविका के वीएम वगैरह पर ये किया होगा शायद, फिर मुझे ड्रामा मिला, ड्रामा मैंने देखा, ऑलमोस्ट 300+ एपिसोड्स में मैं हूँ तो काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे। और जिस तरह इन्होंने बात किया सोशल इश्यूज़ वगैरह, और इन्होंने 100 एपिसोड का कहा था लेकिन अभी 700 एपिसोड तक पहुँच गए थे तो ऑडियंस की वजह से, क्योंकि उनकी डिमांड थी कि ये ड्रामा और हमें देखना है तो ये लोग बनाते गए और काफ़ी अच्छा लगा मुझे भी मतलब। और सबसे बेहतर चीज़ मुझे ये लगी कि इसमें कोई एक्टर चेंज नहीं हुआ यार, सबसे बड़ी बात यह है। मुझे आगे का नहीं पता 300+ एपिसोड में मैं हूँ या 400+ में। इस 1 महीने से मैंने एपिसोड्स वगैरह थोड़े कम किए हैं, मैंने देखना कम किया है क्योंकि यूनिवर्सिटी ओपन हो चुकी है उस वजह से। लेकिन जहाँ तक मैंने ये ड्रामा देखा है, जिस एपिसोड में भी मैं हूँ, मैं भूल चुका हूँ, देखेंगे आहिस्ता आहिस्ता, लेकिन उन एपिसोड्स तक मुझे कोई भी एक्टर मतलब चेंज होता हुआ नहीं दिखाई दिया। कैरेक्टर चेंजिंग की बात कर रहा हूँ कि एक अगर एसएसओ है तो शिवाय को हटा के नकुल को हटा के किसी और को जो है वो रिप्लेस कर दिया, ऐसे एक्टर चेंज नहीं हुए। तो ये बहुत बड़ी बात है क्योंकि अक्सर ड्रामों में ऐसा हो जाता है और पूरे ड्रामे मतलब मज़ा ही ख़राब हो जाता है उस ड्रामे का। बाकी इस इंटरव्यू में मुझे लास्ट वाला सेशन काफ़ी अच्छा लगा। आई हैव नेवर, वो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग सा मतलब एक गेम टाइप है, अच्छा लगा मुझे। बाकी आई होप आप लोगों को ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, मुझे तो अच्छी लगी, आप लोग को का पता नहीं। अगर अच्छी लगी हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करो, कमेंट करो, शेयर करो, नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो, साथ में बेल आइकन भी दबाओ। सो सी यू इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो।